In this video we are discussing about addition of vector and rectangular resolution of a vector. In this figure you can see that two vectors are given, vector A and vector B. We can write OA is equal to vector A and AB vector is equal to vector of B. Then OB vector is called the sum of vector A and vector B. Symbolically, we can represent vector A or vector OA plus vector AB equal to vector OB. Vector A plus vector B is equal to vector OB. Now rectangular resolution of a vector. Let OX, OY, OZ be three rectangular axes and let IJ, K be three unit vectors. If OP is equal to unit vector n cap and the coordinates of P, you can see in this figure x, y, z, and vector OA is equal to xi cap, vector OB is equal to yj cap, and vector OC is equal to zk cap. If we write OP vector according to law of addition of parallelogram, we can write OP vector is equal to OF vector plus FP vector. Here you can see this in this figure. Here OF vector, you can see that OF vector is equal to the OA vector plus AF vector. So we can write OF vector is equal to OA vector plus AF vector. In this figure you can see that AF vector is parallel to OB vector and both vectors are in the same direction and both have equal magnitude. So we can write AF vector is equal to OB vector, and similarly FP vector you can see in the figure OC vector is parallel to the PF vector and both are in the same direction and having same magnitude. So we can write FP vector is equal to OC vector, and these are the given value. So we put here xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Here you can see that the distance from point O to point P is, let's say, r. So we can write vector r is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Now Using Pythagoras theorem, OP square is equal to OF square plus FP square. Here you can see that in triangle OPF we can write OP square is equal to OF square plus FP square. In place of OF we can write OA square plus AF square plus FP square. As we know that AF is equal to OB vector, so we can write in place of AF square OB square, and similarly for FP square we can write OC square. As we know their value of OA, OB and OC, so we can write x square plus y square plus z square. For the value of OP, we take square root both sides. As we know that OP is equal to vector R, so we can write in place of OP vector R, and this is also known as modulus of vector. Now we can write unit vector R is equal to vector R upon magnitude of vector R. So we can write xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap and divide by root of x square plus y square plus z square.